Hello guys! Today we will learn about adjectives. What is adjective? An adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun by providing more information about its quality, property or characteristics. Here are some examples of adjective. The big house. Here big is an adjective modifying the noun house. She is a happy person. Here happy is an adjective modifying the noun person. The delicious cake. Here delicious is an adjective modifying the noun cake. Types of adjectives. Why we use adjective in a sentence? To describe a modified noun or pronoun. To provide more information about the subject. To express emotions or options. How to find adjective in a sentence? Look for words that describe or modify noun or pronoun. Search for words that express emotion or options. Hope you understand the concept of adjective. Bye bye, see you to my next video. Subscribe my channel.